Buddy, Wilton Hunt over here. A fan reached out and was wondering how can he know that whenever somebody comes to his site, where are they approximately coming from? Of course, there's no way to pinpoint exactly which address they came from to your website, but approximately you might be able to tell. So Google has a pretty nifty tool, which most of you know is Google Analytics. Once you log into Google Analytics, you go to Geo and go to Location. And then you get to kind of, for example, start drilling down, right, from United States. This is pretty nice. And then this is somebody out in California, right? So you can start to see that most of the traffic came from the state of California. Not a surprise. Then you continue to drill down now, where it's very, very interesting, right? Within California, not a surprise, they're up in Napa area. Then you continue drilling down, right? San Francisco, Napa, Vallejo, Vacaville, right? So this is pretty interesting. You get to pinpoint exactly which city they came from. Okay, then city-based is the finest you can drill down to. So I found this tool very, very interesting, just to at least know, hey, approximately where are people coming from to your site. And then of course you can choose a little longer range. And then right, trying to figure out where are you pulling traffic from. Okay, hope this is a pretty interesting tool for you to segment where are traffic coming from.